If you're planning to attend the 2023 Turbomachinery and Pump Symposia, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From September 26th through the 28th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during TPS's exhibit hall hours at the George R. Brown Convention Center in Houston, Texas. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspections, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at Turbomachinery and Pump Symposia why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by rotating equipment engineers and technicians with remote visual inspections of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech Video Borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.